So today we have fast passes for Beauty and the Beast, Rock and Roller Coaster, but first Toy Story Mania. But before we do any of that, we need to go and get a disability pass for
Slinky Dog.
Free Mum.
Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog. If I remember right from last year, it was really warm in this area with not much shade. But we're here, so we'll have some fun. Here comes Slinky. It's time for Toy Story Mania, but who's going to win? Am I going to win, or is Lauren going to win? Me or Lauren? This is the question. I lost.
And I won.
First time. Lost
Ever.
by 900 points. 900 points, 140,000. But the good news is, Mum beat Matthew. I lost. Can't believe it. So in about a month's time, that's going to be the new Star Wars entrance, which opens on the 29th of August 2019. But as for today, it's shut. It's time for Slinky Dog.
Here we go.
Star Wars map. Yay! Got a friend in me.
Hey, partners, just like I always tell my pal Buzz.
We used to love it here at Roy's Rolls, and now they've even removed the name. I'm sure the name was there last year on the canopy. Very sad. We loved them ham sandwiches at Roy's Rolls. But now it's time for Tower of Terror. Before Terror of Tower, it's time for for something like Beauty and the Beast, which would be fun. We've not seen it for a few years. I'm sure the storyline's not changed very much, but it's in the shade, and that's the important thing, because it's very, very warming in today. Now it's time for this Beauty and the Beast.
He tried to turn the old woman away, but she warned him not to be deceived by appearances, for beauty is found within. Learn to love another, and earn their love in return. The spell will be broken. If not, he would be doomed to remain a beast for all time. As the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope. For who could ever learn to love a beast?
Different from the rest of us, she's nothing like the rest of us. She's different from the rest of us. She's now. She's a thing, high and putting on the bank. We'll prepare and serve with flair and color.
Kill the beast. Kill him. If you're not with us, you're against us. Get out of here.
I tried to warn you. This is all my fault.
At least I get to see you one last time.
Beauty and the Beast. Never just the same. Never a surprise. In the years, never last time. Song as old as
No, I'm not one to spoil things. But Warren, we've not seen that in a long time. What do you think?
It was brilliant.
Do you like Beauty and the Beast?
Yes.
The disappointing thing was, the story's exactly the same as what it was 15 years ago. Whenever you're going anywhere, rather than using the street, get in a shop. All the shops are connected. You only put the end of the street, and it's air conditioned. Because today, out there, it's over 100 degrees. And here, it's lovely. You don't have to spend anything, but you can do. It's about time this lad started pulling his weight. And now it's time for Tower of Terror. We have fast passes for this, which is good, because if you can't make it out, that says 105 minutes. But I have a feeling they are starting to fix one of the towers on it, so it's twice as long the wait, because there's only one tower going up and down, or one lift I should say. So as Tracy just quite rightly pointed out to me, this isn't a fast pass. This is an extra pass we got with Mr. Matthew's disability card. Our fast pass is to go just now Rock and Roller Coaster, which is in about 20 minutes. So when we finish this one, we'll go on there. I do like watching Matthew pull his weight though, carrying that bag along. He does nothing normally, so this is quite impressive.
Some of you may have noticed we had a small problem with our guest tables. In the meantime, until your rooms are ready, please wait here. Why?
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension.
Matthew, was that good? Yeah. Another ride exit. Another shop. Lauren, who's that there? Everywhere you go to a ride in Disney, you find a shop. And every shop I find in Disney, I want to buy something. So I've just done the Tower. Matthew was a little bit scared of it, but he said more when we came off, which is good. And now we're going on rock and roller coaster. I think Matthew's excited. It's a super stretch. "15 minutes ago there was not a cloud in the sky. The winds have got up, the storms have come in. So Lauren, with the weather coming, there's only one thing for it. What are we going to do next? Which pool? The Villa pool. And we'll see you back there. We actually got a car parking spot on the end, and this was a good day to get that car parking spot.